In the heart of Tokyo, legends don't always die. They just wait. This is a Honda Civic EG6, a street legend, forgotten by time. But I see potential. The question is, can we bring it back to life? The first step, a deep clean to see the true extent of the damage. Next, we strip it down to the bare shell. Every single part has to come off. After countless hours of metalwork and sanding, the body is finally perfect, ready for its new skin. Now for the heart of the car. The engine is completely rebuilt, piece by piece. From forgotten to flawless, the legend is back on the streets of Tokyo,